first step is to make sure you don't currently have animals in the attic, and also setting traps, either humane traps or snap traps. Live traps are a good option as well. And going around the gutter line to make sure that there is no gap between the plywood sheathing of the home and your fascia board, and also looking at any dormers you may have. A lot of times we find the area where dormers meet new roof lines or roof adjoinments, you typically find some sort of gap between that plywood material and the siding on the dormer. Those are great places to start looking. The other important thing to do is make sure you're trimming any trees that are touching the house. And I recommend at least a foot, especially for rats and mice, as they're not known for making too large of a jump. A lot of times squirrels will make the jump. And if that is what's happening, you may need to call a wildlife trapper to trap those squirrels that know about your attic space and get rid of them in that method. That's how you keep animals out of your attic.